the first time you playing in Indonesian football? Yeah. First time in Indonesia. Yeah.
Indonesia, not first time.
Not first time in Indonesia, but
I was 1 year in Iran.
Iran, and for Indonesia, the first time for you.
First time
Indonesia. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you tell us what will you do to make to quick adapt with the Indonesian football?
Little bit is hard at the beginning.
Yeah.
Because the weather conditions is not like in my country.
Yeah.
Need maybe 1 week to my body to
Okay.
you asked me about conditions, air conditions
Yeah.
there in the team.
And for the team, and maybe Budi, your agent, has tell you about little about Indonesian football tournament or atmosphere of football playing in Indonesia. No, no before.
No, we not speak about this about quality of football in Indonesia because today everybody play football. Okay, in all part of the world you have good teams, coaches, good players. Everybody now give money for football.
Yeah.
Every country want to have a football league,
Yes.
national team. So I didn't need ask him, but how is football here?
Okay.
Is like in Asia.
Okay. So, and in your career record, we read your career record. You have partnered with Bosnian national team, right? And which you have played with world-class football player such as Edin Zeko, Miralem Pjanic. Can you share the experience with other player in Semen Padang?
Yes, I was in national team before 2 years when I played qualification for the World Cup in Brazil 2014. I know Edin Dzeko maybe 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah, we are trained in the same club
Mhm.
in the young when we was young. And Miralem Pjanic, I met him when I was in the national team. They were good guys. They maybe look like I don't know, like big or something, but they are normally people, good friends, good people, very kind.
Okay.
Maybe on television you think that they are so different, like how they in a normal life.
And before you come to Surabaya to join the training of Semen Padang, you know about Semen Padang before?
No, I didn't know.
You didn't hear about Semen Padang?
When agent tell me that he will bring me in this Semen Padang, a little bit go on the internet and read about it. And I saw that this team very big army of fans.
Area for fans.
Fans are very good.
Very good.
And people in all city, in this city, they are crazy about this club. I can speak about that because I was in shopping mall before I signed the contract, and a lot of people come to me, pictures, and about that I can say that this city is live for this club.
And what are your best position in the field?
The best position is midfield.
Midfield.
Yes, midfield. I can play midfield. They say now box to box. In midfield, I feel good, and I can play defensive midfield. I can play offensive midfield. And what coach wants from me, I'll play.
And when we say about the coach Nilmaiza, someone or more of Indonesian people agree if the Nilmaiza a good coach in Indonesia. What do you feel? What do you know?
I heard a lot of good stuff about this coach, especially
target to finish in this competition or in this tournament in the top half position. What your own target to give the to Semen Padang FC? Yes. But the target you want
I wanna be champion.
be champion.
Padang.
Okay. And
And I wanna be champion with Padang.
champion with Padang. Okay. We have a good.
I give my maximum and I give my 100% be champion with Padang.
Okay. Finally, we will waiting the supporter of Semen Padang waiting your action in the field. Waiting for your best action to increase the field.
I have a debate Sunday. I hope we will win.
Okay. Finally, we will say thanks to you to this interview, and we hope as a media officer, as a supporter, hope you will make the what do we call it, the honest moment, the good moment to join this team, and maybe you have to be a player that get a story to Semen Padang story. Understand? Okay.
Which question?
This.
It's your question.
Thanks for the interview, and
Thanks for
wish you comfort and enjoy the Semen Padang. And for the finale, what want you tell to our fans?
I can tell that I hope that I have a good moment in Semen Padang.
What you want to tell to our fans to support you to please tell to our fans.
To our fans, we will give maximum. You continue like all time till now. Again, what I say first.
What you
What I
speak to the fans. Yeah. Give the full support for you and for team.
like begitu before.
You,
Semen Padang
we have two Semen Padang fans, but we just say Semen Padang fans